In today's lesson, we will practice the past continuous. We use the past continuous to describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. The past continuous is used to talk about the past. 1. For something that continued before and after another action. Melanie was cooking dinner when Bob got home. She called me when I was watching a movie. 2. For something that happened before and after a particular time. In December, she was working 3 jobs. 3. To show that something continued for some time. Everyone was laughing. He was sleeping. 4. For something that continued to happen. They were always fighting. He was working hard every day. 5. With verbs that show change. He was losing his hair. She was spending money quickly. To form the past continuous, we add subject plus was or were plus the verb plus ing. I was taking a nap. She was exercising. To form the negative, we add subject plus wasn't or weren't plus the verb plus ing. They weren't helping us clean. She wasn't listening to anyone. To form the interrogative, we add was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing. Was it snowing? Was she working? Let's practice. Answer the following questions using the examples. What were you doing yesterday when I called you? What was Max doing while you were shopping?
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah.
What was Mary doing when you arrived? What were you doing while I was cleaning the kitchen? Was it raining in the morning? Were the students paying attention? That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.